Learn English. Hello, everyone. Number 1 for today is in the kitchen. Correct. Number 2, did you walk? What's that word? Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. The dish rack is on the table. The dish rack is on the table. Dish rack. This is a dish rack. After we wash the dishes, we put them in the dish rack to dry. The dish rack is on the table. Now change it to yesterday. The dish rack was on the table yesterday. Now change it to a question for yesterday. Was the dish rack on the table yesterday? Now let's make a flashcard and remember it forever. Please make a flashcard like this. Write dish rack up here in the top left corner. 2 words. Down here, KIT1. This means kitchen, level 1. Over here, the number 14 out of 50. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner and put your language on the other side. Dish rack. Dish rack. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer walks far every day. Jennifer walks far every day. Far. She hikes in the mountains. She walks more than 10 kilometers every day. Jennifer walks far every day. Now change it to yesterday in the past tense. She walked far. Change it to tomorrow. What will she do? She will walk far tomorrow. Now let's make a flashcard and remember it forever. Please make a card like this. Write far up here in the top left corner, FAR. Down here, ADV1. This means adverb level 1, to walk far. Over here, the number 12 out of 42. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner and your language right here on the other side of the card. Far. Game over. You did very well today. Dish rack. And did you walk? Correct. And if you're high level, here are the level 2 words. Number 1, bar. Yeah, that's like a restaurant, but also a piece of steel. Number 2, we wear on our fingers. Gloves. Correct. Number 3, please see your dictionary for that one. B-U-R-P. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.